Hello and welcome to the Linux Panic YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at how to set a custom background on DWM. But first, before we proceed any further into the video, I'd like to thank my channel member, Mislav, for being subscribed. They get early access to videos such as this one right here, as well as a little badge next to the name on both videos and live streams. So, into the video. Now you're probably wondering, well, why am I talking about DWM? I'm clearly running Debian. So why am I talking about DWM? Well, I have decided that I wanted to play around with DWM. Mainly because I accidentally broke my access to my own operating system. So I installed DWM and everything's working. And I've decided that I want a custom background, because as you can see here, it's that. But I don't want that. Oh, my eyes. Sorry about that. So as we can see here, it would be nice if, as we can see here, I've chosen this as my background of choice. It is currently the anime that I have been did watch in its entirety. I find it rather good. I like it, so we're choosing that for now anyway. So first things first, we're going to stop blinding ourselves. Ow, my eyes, my apologies. So for this we need to install a tool called FEH. So apt install FEH. Now you're probably wondering, why is this working without sudo? Because when I had the fun of removing things, it also removed my user, but all of the information, or all of the stuff is still there. I don't know. I will be moving over to Arch eventually. But now that we've got FEH installed, we need to go a certain way around doing things. Because just right now, if we wanted to, we wouldn't be able to do much. So we need to make a change to our xinitrc file. Now, that's in your home directory, but if I do this, there's no xinitrc. However, it is a dot file. As we can see, .xinitrc is the third from the bottom. So what we need to do is we need to open it with our text editor of choice. I'm just using Nano because it works. Now, as we can see here, this is what our xinitrc file looks like. You must put for this the FEH information before the execute DWM, because if we do not put it after, if we do not put it beforehand, when it runs execute DWM, nothing after this will run. So what we need to do is what we're going to do actually is we're going to go do 6, and then we're going to go to CD downloads, and as we can see here, nope, CD documents even. As we can see, we've got something called classroom. So print our working directory, it'll just be /documents and then classroom. So for that, what we have to do is we have to do FEH space, correction, FEH -- BG scale, and then just the information. So in this case, it's just going to be equals / documents / classroom.jpg. And that's it. So when you restart your system, it should, in theory, load it. So if we just do FEH, and as we can see, there is our background of choice. As we can see, It's picked it up, which means we've got it set correctly. However, unfortunately, it doesn't quite fit the screen, but that's just because of the file that I've chosen. If I can get this to close, that would be wonderful. It's just a queue, never mind. But there we go. It is working, it is running. Yes, at the current moment in time, I just have the one monitor working with DWM. I know how to get 2 running, it's just I can't be bothered with it right now because I know the effort that goes into getting it working. I've had fun with that in the past. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you'd like to hit the like button, if you didn't, hit the dislike. They both seem to work, even though you can only see one of them. Remember, when you use Linux, do not panic. I have been Nick, you have been amazing. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and goodbye.